Hello guys, I am your host Shubro. Welcome to Shubro the Geek. Welcome to vlog 2 on my channel. So guys, there will be 3 to 4 things which I'll be talking in this vlog. The number 1 is the thoughts about my channel and what I am doing. Number 2, progress of this channel. Number 3, the change of Indian education system. And number 4, what are the new ventures which I am thinking which we'll be doing in our channel. So guys, as always, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Please hit the bell notification icon beside it so that you get notified each and every time I post a new video. And please share them with your friends. Please like my videos. And please make me reach 1,000 subscribers as soon as possible. Without further wasting your time, I am your host Shubro. You are watching Shubro the Geek. Let's start, shall we? So guys, what are the thoughts on my channel? Guys, let me get this to you straight. So you're a youngster and you have a lot of things happening in your life. Guys, you may be working for a certain thing, like you may be working in the sales department, you may be working as a teacher, you may be working as a developer. So you are following your passion. That's the main thing. And along with that, you have some other parts, like you talk with your friends, you socialize, then you play games, you do everything. So guys, I don't know why every people has this mentality like you have to be streamlined or you won't be successful. Like this channel, I told my friends when I started this channel, I told all of you that I wanted to make it a tech channel. No, I don't want to make it a tech channel. I want to make it a life of youngsters channel. So what a youngster does, he codes or he follows his passion, then he talks when he feels low, then he plays some games, then he does some unboxing, like he orders new products and he opens them, so he uses them and reviews them. So these are the things which a youngster does, and you only live once in your life, man. And I, being a youngster, I want to do that. I want to like make everything in such a manner that I'm sorry for that. In such a manner that this channel will be for a youngster, like each and everything of a youngster's life. So that's the main agenda of my this video. Well, that's the main agenda I wanted to talk in this video. Like I focus this channel on making it on the life of a youngster, like how a youngster lives and how a youngster does what he does. Let me give a very basic example. Like if Sachin Tendulkar never wanted to play cricket, would he be playing? Or if someone told him like, okay, you are a batsman, you can never bowl, so would he be bowling anytime? So guys, that's the thing. Like, you must create your own genre. Before Alfred Hitchcock made that film Psycho, no one understood what kind of like horror or psychological horror is. So that's the thing. This started with he started the genre. If you are Bengali, you can properly understand when Rabindranath Tagore invented Rabindra Sangeet. Like, he never invented it. He wrote the poems, he wrote some tunes, and after he passed away, his poems, his tunes were made into a music. So that's the thing. Like Beethoven started his new genre. Guys, I wanted to do this. Like another Indian which I always praise is Nuclear. He started his new mixture, new genre of music, and I wanted to do a new genre of videos. That's the main thing. And please support me in that. I ask for nothing but your support. That's all which I ask. So guys, if you can provide me your support, please do support me with that thing. Like, I want to make a genre which is like life of a youngster. Guys, let me tell you another thing. Last day or yesterday only, I heard about this Indonesian guy who did nothing for 2 hours, and that video got 1.8 million likes. I don't know. All of you have supported him. That's very good. I just was like, okay, man. So something like this can also get 2 million, 1.8 million views. Okay. So that's the thing, man. So guys, if you can still not understand, please do comment. And please follow me on my social media handles listed below. I'll be happy to talk to you. Then guys, I wanted to talk about the progress of this channel. So progress, we'll be starting the advanced series of Python. Then we'll be talking about some useful tips and tricks in Python. Then we'll be doing some projects which you can directly write on your CVs. And then we'll be jumping on to data science and machine learning. Okay guys, that's for Python. Then other plans which I have for this channel are gaming once or twice a week, CSGO, Assassin's Creed, Wolfenstein. These are the games I thought of playing. Now after that, what do I have plans? Okay, I use a lot of tech things, so I am thinking of reviewing them. I'll start this reviews from the mid of July, like from Independence Day onwards. We'll be getting reviews on few of the things which I use regularly. So you'll be getting some tech reviews. And guys, I have learnt a bit of editing which you can see in my gaming video, which I'll be linking in the I button over here. So I'll be using those tricks in the videos from now on. And then that's all. Those are all the things. And vlogs will continue every Sunday. I'll be posting a vlog that will continue. We do not worry about that. The vlogs will continue as we are doing. So these are the things which will be happening on my channel. And lastly, I want to talk about the change in Indian education system. So guys, the change in Indian education system is something which I like truly admire. Like the new Indian education system will be 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4, and each and every degree will be of 4 starting from 4 years starting from class 12. So guys, 1 to 5, then 5 to 8, then 6 to 8, then 9 to 11, and 12 to degree. So guys, that's a very good thing. And also the streamlining of subjects like taking science, arts, or commerce, or humanities, that's completely disembarked, and now you can take any subject you like. That's the thing I like. I feel like that's a very strong thing, and we can all follow our passion using that. So let me give you my example. I always wanted to study computer, mathematics, physics, not chemistry, not biology, along with literature and Hindi, and I wanted to learn about history. So, but I never could because I had to choose science stream. So that's the thing which you can do. And another thing which I also praise about this structure is the way it is planned for class 12 onwards. Like if you continue for 1 year, you'll be getting a certificate. If you continue for 2 years, you'll be getting a diploma. If you complete the whole 4 years, you'll be getting the degree. That's a very good thing. That's a very powerful and very good thing, which I just love. And these are the points which I love about the change which has been brought in the Indian education system. So guys, if you have any comments about it, please do mention it in the comment section or in my social media handles. As I'll always tell you, those are linked below. Excuse me. Now, then again, I wanted to talk about something else. What is that? Guys, we are fighting this COVID-19. And not only we, everyone in this world is fighting. So guys, please help as much as you can to those who needs that, who needs the help. Please help them. And guys, please tell me, how are you fighting COVID-19 in the comments? I do want some comments about it. Please tell me, how are you fighting COVID-19 and how are you like holding up in this lockdown situation, or the days which are there, like so many days. I think that's all for this video. I hope I was able to clear what this channel is about, what are the future propagandas of this channel, and what are my thoughts on Indian education system. If you have anything you want to add, please do comment. Please, if you want a personal comment, then you can directly follow me on my social media handles and comment there. No issues whatsoever. And that's all for the day. Let's call it off. I was your host Shubro. You were watching Shubro the Geek. Signing off. Bye bye.